And quick little product review, first impressions. These actually came out years ago. These are the Aftershokz headphones. And what's unique about these, they are bone-conducting headphones. So they're not over the ear, they're not in the ear, they go right through your bone. So they conduct through your skull. So we're just gonna see what's inside here. You know, you think I'd be better at opening boxes by now. Boy, you know, sometimes these boxes... There we go. And let's see here. These are slate gray color. Oh, nice easy open, so you don't have to rip apart the packaging. Nice. So let's see, these are bone conducting, they have premium stereo sound, sweat resistant, and they're lightweight titanium frame. So pretty basic packaging, nice. And it looks like most of this can be recycled. Yeah, those are light. I'll weigh them and see how close they are to the specs. And as far as packaging, they come with a nice little bag so you don't lose them. And this is the charging apparatus. The charging's kind of cool. It's just micro USB, pretty simple. And they come with earplugs. Interesting. Standard user manual stuff. Trex titanium, very nice. Serial number to register, warranty card, nice. I'll have to figure out what the headphones are. Well, yeah. And there you have it. Those are the Trex Titanium by Aftershokz. I'm pretty sure this model might be over 18 months old. Almost positive I saw these at CES back in January of 2018, and I've wanted to try them ever since. Retail for these is around $80. I got them on sale for $59, $55 I think. So not bad for Bluetooth headphones. What I'm really curious is if they pair to multiple devices at once. So I'll do a review of these and we'll follow up and I'll let you know how they are.